Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a Gmail account or Google account without phone number in 2026. As you know, there are a lot of methods or tutorial how to create a Gmail account without phone numbers, but they are not working anymore. So this is new method and it's work. So make sure you watch this video until the end and don't skip anything. Before that, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get started. So usually, if you want to create a Gmail account or Google account, you can go to browser. So let's say I want to go to Mozilla Firefox, and then you can go to Google accounts like this. You can search it and you will find this one. You can click it, and as you can see, you can click create account here. And then you can choose maybe for your child or work or your personal use. I'm gonna choose for my personal use. And then you can put your first name, maybe like this, Sena and Sena. This for example. Click next, and then you can put your birthday. I'm gonna random, gender male, and click next. And then you can choose your email username. It's up to you, like maybe like this, just for example. After you put your password, you can just click next, and then I will just never save here. And then as you can see, you have to put your phone number. So you need a phone number to make sure you are not a robot. And there are no other option. I mean, you can see there are no skip option. So this method is not working anymore. So I have new one. So okay, forget about it. So first you need Android phone. So if you are using Apple, I'm sorry, I don't think it's work. But if you are using Android, it's work. So first you can go to settings. And then in the setting, as you can see, if you scroll down, you will find Google. So this is the Google account usually we are using, but we are not gonna create an account from this page. So I'm gonna search for accounts in the settings. And as you can see, there is accounts and scenes. You can click it. And then as you can see, if you scroll down, you will find add account here. You can click it, and then in this page you can choose Google. So you can choose Google here, and it's checking like this one. So verify, and this is the important part, so make sure you watch this video until the end. So you can click create account here, and then you can choose for my personal use. Don't choose for work or for a business. So choose for my personal use. And then as you can see, as usual, you can put your name here like this. Click next, and then your your birthday like this. I will just random pick. Then click next, and then you can choose your username like this. Oops, maybe like this. Oh, okay, maybe say now 1 2 3 4 5 6. Oops. Oh my god, X9. Cool. Now your password. After that, you can click next, and then review your account info. You can click next. As you can see, this is my username, and then go to privacy and terms. You can read it, and then click agree. I agree, and it's loading. And it's done, as you can see guys. So it works. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.